97 even.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Should I welcome myself back to the channel? Your boy been gone for a minute. Feels good to be back. Today we got a $1,100 Soul Supremacy beater box. You guys might have been wondering why I ain't been posting. COVID, man, it slowed everything down. They've been dropping them randomly every other Sunday now, so that's cool. I was able to cop a few boxes, so things can finally get back on track. Again, this is the most expensive box I got here recently. This one, like I said, is $1,100. Hoping to have some good stuff, man. I've been picking up random kicks here and there. If you follow me on Instagram, you know, follow the story or the for sale page, TGOTSOLE for sale, or the main page, just TGOTSOLE. You probably can stay up to date on just random pickups and stuff I be getting, man. We ain't gonna do too much talking. We're gonna jump right in here. Excited to finally have a box. Been a while. $1,100. See, oh man, right off top. I'm gonna wait. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm gonna wait. We got some Air Force Ones. These look to be dead stock. Let me show y'all what I got here. They are dead stock, size 10.5, Nike Air Lab. They had them listed for $220. I don't know what they even called, but feel like some pretty good quality stuff. Air Force Ones. Check out the bottom, clear bottom. Let me scoot up so you guys can see. Boom, check out the bottom. There's the tag I was telling you about. Got the extra laces on there. I don't know the name of them. Size 10.5, my size, but I'm not really into the forces like that. I like the lows better than the highs. I pulled out two loose pair of shoes, two separate shoes. We'll jump into this one first. We got an all black. Let me see if I can find the other one. Very deep down in the box, we have the triple black, like the Japanese or Chinese, I'm not sure what that is. NMDs. Had these before. I'm dropping the shoes. These are a size 8.5. Check out the condition. All these shoes in this box will be up for sale, man, on the for sale page. So follow the TGOTSOLE for sale on Instagram. And what's still available will be posted. I'm gonna try to go through and delete all the stuff that's already sold and just keep it updated with what's available. And the eBay. We got some gum or something on the bottom of these. So we got the multicolor, I believe, Ultra Boost. These are a size 8.5 as well. Multicolor Ultra Boost. So we got 3 pair without boxes. I got a loose top right here. I don't know what that goes to. This is what I was so shocked about. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into it. This is what I was so shocked about. Got the bag. Let's check these out. We got some Don C's. Obviously not in the correct box, replacement box. These are pre-owned. Check out the bottom. Still in really good shape. This to me is one of the best, highest quality leathers you probably can find on some Jordans. These are dope, man. Size 11. I got these before in the beater box with the box, the hat, all that stuff a few years ago. And man, check these out. These probably the money shoe of the box. It's just weird to hit the money shoe at the top of the box. Normally you get it at the bottom. See if I can step back so you guys can see that. Size 11, replacement box. Still got the gold eyelets on them. And these are in really good shape. Really good shape. No OG box. Come with that little bag right there. We got another Nike One box. This is a size 11.5. And I think these are Cyber Mondays, size 11.5. Had these before too. I actually had rocked them last time I had got them. But just a cool, basic black and white shoe. I like it, you know, them OG ones. The good old Nike Air on the tongue. I'm holding these shoes, you guys can't even see them. Check those out. Everybody say if you get ones nowadays, just hold them. They are going up in value. These are a size 11.5. I don't know if these are going up in value, but I know some of the other, my breads and bread toes and all that stuff, man. This stuff, these shoes are going like crazy. OG ones, prices do not go down. This was a full box, man. We still got 5 pair. I think them Don C's was probably the money shoes, so that kind of sucks to pull them so early. But we got an Air Jordan 10, size 9.5, Bulls over Broadway. I was a fan of these when they first came out, the all red shoes. I don't know. I really like these when they first came out. I think I just seen them so many times now that it's kind of like, eh. But size 9.5, pre-owned, all red and black. I know a lot of people don't like 10s. Check out the bottom. I know I'm moving through these shoes pretty quick, man. You guys probably have to hit the Instagram link or eBay link if you want to get better pictures or better views of what's up for sale. We got some Kyrie 5s. I'm not really up on game. These ain't Kyrie's. This is a replacement box. I think I'd rather have these more. These, they look to be dead stock. And a quick giveaway was the StockX tag. Check those out. I've had these before. I want to say they came in a pack. They did come in a pack, and I have had these before. I don't know what they're worth now. I think the other, I can't remember what the other shoe they had even came with. You guys will know. I'll put it all down below. But I don't know if these, you know, have any value. I know these came in a pack, and I just can't think off top what other shoe it had came with. Came with a Kyrie box. So that's 4 pair without the original, no, 5 pair without the original box. We got a, I don't even know what kind of box. Oh, we got an Adidas box. Support 9316. We got a dead stock pair of Adidas running shoes. Adidas equipment. Check those out. Nothing too special. These are dead stock though. Yeah. I don't know much about these. I'm not a big Adidas guy like that. I mean, some of them are nice, but I'm more of a Nike guy myself. We got 3 pair of laces. Check those out. And they are dead stock, so I ain't gonna pull out the other one. We got 2 more pair in this box. This is a size 8.5 of Spizike. We got the Mars Spizikes. These are pre-owned. These are old. These are old. Let me see what year. These are 8.5. This was a 2009 release, so you got a 11-year-old pair of Spizikes. Check those out. Size 9.5. Very, very good shape. And I want to say these are worn. They might be dead stock. They can really pass the dead stock. It might just be a little color discoloration due to the age, but check those out. They look to be dead stock. I'm gonna say they dead stock. Check out the stars. What do y'all think? I think they just got a little discolor from the age or whatever. So that's cool. 8.5. We got a Nike box. We got a Nike Air Max 97 OG. Oh, I know what these are. Undefeated. Thank you. Shoot, $1,100 box, and I was thinking like, man, them Don C's, I don't even know what they worth. But I know these still go for a pretty good penny. Had these about, I've had them at least once. I want to say I had them twice, but I'm not for sure. These are already size 13. I know they're not going to be dead stock. These are very clean, not dead stock, but very, very clean. Undefeated 97s. To me, this was the best colorway. I like them. Boom, check those out. I can't remember where I sold the other pair. I've had these 2 times before, and they still go for a good penny, even used. We got the extra laces that they come with, and I'm not sure if these are worth more than those Don C's or not. So I can't say if the Don C is the money shoe and this is the money shoe. I don't know. You guys will know before I do, because I had the prices down below. But I'm pretty sure. I don't know. It looked like we got 2 money shoes in this box, because these go for a good penny, and those Don C's do also. And I just have to look up and see what all these other random shoes add up to. But looking at the shoes, how many I got, I'm pretty happy with this box, especially with those Don C's. I guess because they a size 11. The other ones I got, them still dead stock. Those are pre-owned. Some on the rock right there. I'm pretty sure they'll move fast if I decide to sell them. I probably will. Again, I got multiple boxes, so you should be able to keep the videos going. Y'all see me with the Dash shirt, man. Father's Day gift. You know what I'm saying? Father's Day gift. And man, just subscribe, man. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe, follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE, Instagram, Twitter, just everywhere at TGOTSOLE. If you follow me on Instagram and Twitter and stuff like that, you'll probably have a better chance of getting these shoes before the videos go up, because soon as I get the boxes, I'm already snapping pictures and posting them everywhere, so they will be selling really fast. Hit the eBay link. Everything that's available is in the eBay link or on Instagram. And I do not have any more mystery boxes. Do not DM ask about mystery boxes right now. I don't have them. It's hard for me to even get them right now. So when I do have some back in stock, I will let you guys know. I've been getting a lot of people hitting me up for them, and I appreciate that. I need to stock back up on everything, and we'll be back on track. But like I said, we got some more boxes, so make sure you hit that sub button, notification bell, all that cool stuff. And I'm out. Peace.